How to treadle a vintage Singer 319. Hello friends. Today's video is an answer to an inquiry about how to treadle the 319 sewing machine. So I appreciate that viewer for asking that question, because I didn't really know, because I've never really given it much thought. But it's a very simple process, and I'm not actually going to put a treadle foot on this sewing machine maybe ever. The three important things are the treadle foot on the case. There's a treadle foot push down here, and that will allow you to bring the treadle foot, the treadle pulley or belt up. Before that can be done, the electricals have to be taken off here. This plug and receptacle have to be removed, and also the motor has to be removed. You know, the brief answer is that yes, there is a facility on the case to treadle the machine, and that is how it is done. There's a very good video on YouTube by a lady called Wheatina, W-H-E-A-T-I-N-A 1, Wheatina 1, and she shows a green 319 being treadled with a belt. So for those of you who are, I know that treadling is a big interest for those who enjoy it. So that's a brief little description without doing a whole lot of research on how to do that. So I thank that viewer for the question, and I hope that is helpful to some others too. Here's another look. The motor has to come off. The receptacle and switch has to, the plug and switch and receptacle has to come off here. And then that will make room for this metal piece on the case to be pushed out of the way so that the treadle belt can come up and replace the motor belt. So it's a pretty straightforward procedure, having never done it. I've never treadled a machine before, so I guess this is my first research into doing that. But that was a very interesting question from a viewer the other day. So I want to find out how to treadle a machine, because I really didn't know how to do it. And that's what I told the guy. I said, you know what, I have no experience in treadling a machine. So now I know a fair bit more about treadling a machine than I did the day before yesterday. Hi, we're at the end of this short little tutorial. So there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. I want to thank you once again for coming in, viewing, and asking questions or commenting. And please do stay safe. Of course, have fun. And so adios, amigos.